Hey everyone, welcome back to UGC Net Home Science Preparation. If you are just starting or feeling overwhelmed by the syllabus, you are in the right place. Today, we are going to dive into Unit 1 of UGC Net Home Science, that is Food Science and Food Service Management, specifically the foundation of foods. This unit is high weightage and extremely scoring if you understand the concepts instead of just mugging up. In the next 10 minutes, I will give you the clear bird eye view of what this unit is really about, why it matters for the examiner, and the key topics you must master. So let's jump into it. So, here the first question arises: what is food science? Food science is the scientific study of food, the study of its composition, properties, and how it behaves during processing, cooking, storage, and preservation. It is not just cooking, it's applying the application of chemistry, physics, biology, and microbiology to foods. In the UGC NET, they expect you to connect these scientific principles to practical home science application. The core idea behind is food is made up of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, and water. From texture and color to the nutritional value and safety. For example, when you heat a starch, a carb actually, it gelatinizes. That's why gravy thickens. When proteins denature, eggs solidify, or meat tenderizes. These changes are predictable and frequently asked in the examination. So next is basic properties of foods, physical and chemical properties. Physical properties, which is a this topic is a favorite topic of NTA, you can say. Physical properties include color, texture, flavor, viscosity, density, specific gravity. These affect sensory appeal and handling. Chemical properties, pH, acidity, enzymatic activity, Maillard reaction. You all have seen when we cut the fruits, apple, it gets brown. That is known as Maillard reaction or browning. Caramelization. So why does this matter for NET? Question often comes like, what happens to vitamin C during cooking? As all we know that vitamin C is a water soluble and heat sensitive vitamin. So it goes away, right? Why does cut apple turns brown? This is enzymatic oxidation. Polyphenols oxidases. When polyphenols come in the contact with oxygen, the browning takes place. So remember, physical changes are usually reversible, like melting of ice, but chemical changes are not, like baking of a cake. So next topic we have the quality evaluation of foods. Now, how do we judge food quality? There are basically two ways. Objective evaluation uses instruments, textures, analyzer, calorie meter, pH meter, etc. It's measurable and repeatable. Subjective evaluation is sensory evaluation. Sensory evaluation involves all the five senses of the human beings, done by the human panel: taste, smell, appearance, texture, overall acceptability. Methods include hedonic scales, triangle test, duo-trio test. In the exam, know the difference of the common scales. This links directly to the food service and product development. Next is effect of cooking and processing plus preservation. Cooking and processing, heat, moisture, acid, alkali, all affects nutrient differently. Water soluble vitamins B and C leach out into the cooking water. Fat soluble vitamins A, D, E, K are most stable but sensitive to light and oxygen. Minerals are relatively stable with the processing techniques. Here, the processing techniques include canning, drying, freezing, fermentation, irradiation. Next is food preservation. Here, the goal is to prevent the microbial growth and spoilage, where the methods include high and low temperature, dehydration, chemicals, radiation, high pressure. Now, the key application. Hurdle technology, combining multiple preservation methods for better results with less intensity. Combination gives best always. Next is food pigments and additives. We all have studied food pigments, right? So this is obviously the important and most favorite topic of NTA. Food pigments like chlorophyll, green, carotenoids, yellow orange, anthocyanins, red purple, myoglobin, meat color. They change with the pH and heat. Spinach turns olive green in alkaline water, right? So we have to remember all these three examples. Food additives like colors, preservatives, emulsifiers, antioxidants, sweeteners. You have to study this according to the FSSAI regulations and classes. These topics appear in the match the following assertion reasoning questions in the examination. So this is all about the unit. We will wrap up here. So that was a basic introductory of the foods part, unit 1, right? So see you in the next unit of nutrition and dietetics and food service management. Master these fundamental tricks and you will easily tackle 8 to 12 marks from this unit alone. In the upcoming videos, we will go deeper in PYQs, important one-liners, diagrams. You must practice and revision tricks. Drop in the comments which topic in Unit 1 confuses you the most. I'll cover it soon. Like, share, and subscribe for more targeted UGC Net Home Science content. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss the updates. You have got this. Start building strong basics today. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.